Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by unlocking the phone and opening the camera app. Make sure permissions are allowed so features work. Wipe the lens gently because a clean lens gives sharp results. Once done, select the appropriate mode: photo for general shots, portrait for subject separation, or 0. 5x/2x to change field of view. Position your phone and hold steady. This first setup defines the quality you'll get, so take the extra 10 seconds to confirm lens, mode, and framing before moving to adjustments. You now refine focus and exposure to control mood and clarity. Tap the screen on your subject to anchor focus, then slide the exposure control up or down to brighten or darken. This prevents blown highlights. Make sure grid lines are on so you can apply the rule of thirds and keep horizons straight. If the scene has bright highlights and dark shadows, enable HDR. For dark environments, use night mode. Also, lock AE/AF when recomposing to keep consistent exposure across shots. You finish by capturing and securing your photo. Hold the phone steady or stabilize it with a small tripod, then press the shutter or use the volume button for less shake. After shooting, swipe to review, tap Edit to crop, straighten, or adjust color and exposure. This improves impact. Save or export the original file and enable automatic cloud backup so you don't lose shots. If the camera app crashes or shows a black screen, force close it and restart the phone. That fixes most glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.